Hello everyone, welcome back. Today the title of this video is about how you can protect your Google documents with the password. Okay, so I will show you step by step guide. So make sure you don't skip any step, because if you skip any step you won't be able to protect your files with password. Okay, so first of all we will go for Google Docs. We write here password protect for Google Docs. Okay, so I will just hit the enter button and I will use this extension for the Chrome. Okay, and it will be installed from the Google Workspace Marketplace and it's totally free of course. So just need to install this, and I'm going to just select my account for which I want to use this extension, you can say this. So I'm going to access it to Google Drive. So within a few seconds it will be installed into my account. Now I will simply go to this option and I will scroll down here and you will see this is password protect for Google document. Then I will just click on this and then I'm going to need to select my document for which I want to use password. Okay, so I will select the file from this Google Drive. You can upload your file in the Google Drive, then you can protect your file with password from using this feature. Okay, so I have this file. I will select this one and I want to choose a password for this. So you can also select the location where you want to save this, and you can write password here like I write it as 7878. Okay, so after that you can just save this file list and create password document. Okay, so that's how it's working. Please try again later. And as you can see that downloading expansion and it's in progress. So finally it's downloaded. You can just click on this download button and it will ask for the password. Okay, so that's all about it, how you can use it. Let me show you if it's working or not. As you can see that I have opened it now and the password is 78787. So I will open it and let's see if it asks for password or not. So you can see that it's asking me for password. So I will just write down the password and hit the enter button and it will give access to the file. So that was all about how you can protect your files with password for the Google document. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.